If you're an Xfinity TV customer, you've probably heard about Xfinity X1, but what exactly is it, and is it worth using? In this guide, we'll explain what Xfinity X1 is, its key features, how it works, and how to set it up. What is Xfinity X1? Xfinity X1 is Comcast's entertainment platform that combines multiple services into one interface. Instead of switching between devices, you can access live TV, on-demand content, cloud DVR recordings, popular streaming apps, voice search, personalized recommendations. Everything is managed through the Xfinity TV Box and the Xfinity Voice Remote. Key features: Voice Remote. Use simple voice commands to change channels, search for movies or TV shows, open apps like Netflix, record programs, check sports scores or weather, unified search, X1 searches across, live TV, DVR recordings, on-demand library, supported streaming apps. This helps you find content without opening multiple apps. Cloud DVR. With Cloud DVR, you can record your favorite shows, schedule series recordings, watch recordings on compatible mobile devices, download recordings for offline viewing, where supported. Built-in streaming apps. X1 supports popular apps, including Netflix, Peacock, Prime Video, and Hulu. This gives you a single place to enjoy both cable TV and streaming services. How to set up Xfinity X1. Getting started is easy. Connect the X1 TV box to your TV using an HDMI cable. Plug in the power cable. Turn on your TV. Follow the on-screen activation instructions. Pair the Xfinity Voice Remote if prompted. Xfinity X1 is designed to simplify home entertainment by bringing live TV, streaming apps, on-demand content, and cloud DVR together in one platform. To learn more about Xfinity X1, check out our full guide linked in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech videos.